The Mercedes EQS is one of the most aerodynamic cars in the world already ex-factory. Owners of this electric luxury sedan looking to optimize this quality even further equip their vehicle with aerodynamic enhancement components, wheels, and ride height lowering from Brabus. The Brabus aerodynamic enhancement range for the electrically powered Mercedes EQS-Class transfers this tradition to the present time. The bodywork components were given their finishing touches in the wind tunnel and consequently do more than just give the four-door an even more thrilling visual appearance. Particularly impressive are their aerodynamic qualities. Extensive benchmark tests in the wind tunnel found that the electrically powered luxury sedan with Brabus aerodynamic enhancement kit, Monoblock M 22-inch wheels and ride height lowering by means of the Brabus suspension module has a drag coefficient that bests the identical car in standard configuration by 7.2%, once more demonstrating the immense expertise the Brabus developers bring to their work. The bodywork components are produced from carbon and come with a choice of glossy or matte sealed finish in order to make the luxury liner look decidedly sporty.